In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a logo or picture with a form header in Microsoft Forms. If you're creating a survey, quiz, or registration form, adding a header image is a quick way to make it look more professional and on brand. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to Microsoft Forms. First, start by opening your form in Microsoft Forms. You can do this by going to the Microsoft Forms website in your browser and signing in with your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your existing forms. Click on the form you want to edit so that it opens in the form editor view. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see your form title at the top and the questions listed below. Now that your form is open, look at the very top of the page where your form's title is displayed. Right beside the title, you should see a small image icon. This is the button you'll use to add a logo or picture to your form header. Move your mouse over that icon and click it. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're not in preview mode and that you're viewing the form as the owner or editor. After you click the image icon, Microsoft Forms will prompt you to choose an image. Here you have a couple of options. You can upload an image from your computer, or you can choose one from an online source, depending on what's most convenient for you. If you're uploading from your computer, select the option that lets you browse your device. A File Explorer window will open, showing your folders and files. Navigate to the folder where your logo or picture is saved, click on the image you want, and then choose Open or Upload. Make sure the image you select is clear and not too small or blurry, especially if it's a logo that represents your organization or brand. If you want to use an image from an online source, choose the online option provided in the Microsoft Forms interface. You might be able to search for images or select from a set of suggested themes. When using images from online sources, try to pick something that matches the purpose and tone of your form and ensure you have the right to use that image. Once you've selected your image, Microsoft Forms will automatically upload it and place it in the form header. After a moment, you'll see the image appear at the top of your form, behind or above the title, depending on the layout. Take a second to review how it looks. Check that important parts of the logo or picture aren't cut off and that the colors work well with your form's design. If the image doesn't look quite right, you can click the image icon again to choose a different file or make adjustments. You can repeat this process until you're happy with the result. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo or picture to your form header in Microsoft Forms, giving your form a more polished and personalized appearance.